Good morning, children. Today also we are going to continue the same exercise. We are going to solve the other problems by using Pythagoras theorem. Question number 7. Prove that the sum of the squares of the sides of a rhombus is equal to the sum of the squares of its diagonals. It means in a rhombus, we have to prove that sum of the squares of its sides is equal to sum of the squares of its diagonals. Solution: given a rhombus ABCD in which the diagonals AC and BD intersect each other at O. We need to prove that AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus AD squares is equal to AC square plus BD square. That means sum of the squares of the sides is equal to sum of the squares of its diagonals. Proof: the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at 90° or right angles. So in the given figure, ABCD is a rhombus. The diagonals AC and BD are intersecting at O. We know that the diagonals of a rhombus bisecting each other at 90°. So the angles at O, that is AOB, BOC, COD and angle AOD are is equal to 90°. AO equal to CO and BO equal to DO. Now in triangle AOB, angle AOB is 90°. So it is an right angle triangle. So in right triangle AOB, AB square is equal to AO square plus BO square. That is equation number 1 by Pythagoras theorem. Similarly, in triangle BOC, BC square is equal to CO square plus BO square. Let it be equation number 2. In triangle COD, CD square is equal to CO square plus BDO square. Let it be equation number 3. In triangle AOD, AD square is equal to DO square plus AO square. Let it be equation number 4. Now adding equation 1, 2, 3 and 4, we get AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square. That is equal to, in RHS we get 2AO square plus 2CO square plus 2BO square plus 2DO square. Then when we add in the RHS, we know that AO is equal to CO and BO is equal to DO. When we change this CO is equal to AO and DO is equal to BO, we get the final result 4AO square plus 4BO square. 4AO square plus 4BO square. In this, if we take 4 outside, or we can write 4AO square as 2AO square, 2AO the whole square plus 4BO square can be written as 2BO the whole square. 2AO is nothing but it is 2 times of the AO, that is equal to the diagonal AC. So 2AO square becomes AC square plus 2BO square become BD square. So AC square plus BD square is nothing but sum of the squares of the diagonals. In LHS we have all the sides with their squares in addition. So AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square is equal to AC square plus BD square, which is our result. Hence proved. Question number 13. In the given figure, D and E are the points on the sides CA and CB respectively of a triangle ABC, right angled at C. So ABC is a right angle triangle with angle C is equal to 90°. D is a point on AC, E is a point on BC. We need to join DE and DB, AE and AB. We need to prove that AE square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus DE square. Proof. In triangle BAC or BCA, in right triangle BCA, AB square is equal to BC square plus CA square. Let it be equation number 1 by Pythagoras theorem. Now in right triangle ECD, DE square is equal to CE square plus DC square by Pythagoras theorem. Let it be equation number 2. Now in right triangle ACE, AE square is equal to CE square plus AC square by Pythagoras theorem. Let it be equation number 3. Similarly, in right triangle BCD, BD square is equal to BC square plus CD square by Pythagoras theorem. Let it be equation number 4. Now from equation 1, 2, 3 and 4, we are adding equation 3 and 4, or we can add 1 and 2 also. Equation 3 and 4, when we are adding, we get AE square plus BD square. AE square plus BD square is equal to AC square plus CE square plus BC square plus CD square. Here we are grouping that AC square plus BC square plus another group CE square plus DC square. AC square plus BC square is equal to AB square from equation 1, and CE square plus DE square DC square is equal to DE square from equation 2. So we get AE square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus DE square, which is our result. Hence proved. Question number 14. The perpendicular from A on side BC of a triangle ABC intersects BC at D such that BD equal to 3CD. The length of BD is equal to 3 times of CD. We need to prove that 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. Proof. In right triangle ADB and ADC, we can find the following. In right triangle ABD, AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square by Pythagoras theorem. Let it be equation number 1. In right triangle ADC, by using Pythagoras theorem, we get AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square. Let it be equation number 2. Now we subtract equation 2 from 1. 1 minus 2 we get. In the LHS, AB square minus AC square. In RHS, we get BD square minus DC square. We know that BD is equal to 3 times of CD. So in the place of BD, we can write 3 CD. Then we get 9 CD square minus CD square is equal to 8 CD square. BC is equal to BD plus CD, but BD is equal to 3 CD. So BC is equal to 4 times of CD. Therefore, CD is equal to 1/4 of BC. Now in the above equation, AB square minus AC square is equal to 8 CD square. In the place of CD, we can write 1/4 BC. So when we write 1/4 BC the whole square, we get BC square by 16. That 8 in 16 get cancelled. We will be getting BC square by 2. So finally we are getting AB square minus AC square is equal to BC square by 2. The denominator 2 from the right hand side we are taking to the LHS. Then we are getting 2 into AB square minus AC square is equal to BC square. The 2 we can multiply inside. Then we'll get 2AB square minus 2AC square is equal to BC square. Therefore, 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square, which is our required result. Question number 15. In an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on side BC such that BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC. Prove that 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. Solution. Given that an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on side BC such that BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC. To prove 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. Construction. Draw AM perpendicular to BC. Proof. Triangle AMB is congruent to triangle AMC by RHS congruence rule. Since AM equal to AM, the common side, AB equal to AC because all sides are equal in an equilateral triangle. So by RHS rule, triangle AMB is congruent to triangle AMC. So in the figure, BM equal to CM is equal to half of BC and BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC. It's given. Therefore, DC is equal to 2 by 3 BC. Then from the figure, DM is equal to BM minus BD. We know that BM is equal to 1 by 2 BC and BD is 1 by 3 BC. If we substitute these two factors in the equation, by taking LCM, we get DM is equal to 1 by 6 BC or BC by 6. Now, in triangle AMB, since it is a right angle triangle, we can use Pythagoras theorem. So in right triangle AMB, AB square is equal to AM square plus BM square by Pythagoras theorem. From this, AM square is equal to AB square minus MB square, that is equation number 1. Then in right triangle AMD, AD square is equal to AM square plus MD square by Pythagoras theorem. From this, AM square is equal to AD square minus MD square. Let it be equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, we get AB square minus MB square is equal to AD square minus MD square. Therefore, AB square is equal to AD square plus half of BC the whole square minus 1 by 6 BC the whole square. That is, we are substituting the values for BM and MD. Then by taking LCM for 1 by 4 BC square minus 1 by 36 BC square, we get 8 by 36 BC square. That is, AB square is equal to AD square plus 8 by 36 BC square. Then we get AB square is equal to AD square plus 2 by 9 BC square. Now we are taking this 2 by 9 BC square to the LHS. Then we get AB square minus 2 by 9 BC square is equal to AD square. We know that triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. So therefore AB is equal to BC. So that BC we can change into AB. Then we get AB square minus 2 by 9 AB square is equal to AD square. In the LHS, if we take LCM, we get the result 7 by 9 AB square is equal to AD square. Then by cross multiplication or the denominator 9 we are taking to the RHS, then we get the result 7 AB square is equal to 9 AD square, which is our result. hence proved. Question number 16. In an equilateral triangle, prove that 3 times the square of one side is equal to 4 times the square of its altitude. Given that triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle in which AB equal to BC equal to AC. Let the side of the equilateral triangle be 2A units. Then we get AB equal to BC equal to AC is equal to 2A. Draw AD perpendicular to DC, that is AD is the altitude. Now in right triangle ABD, AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. In this AB is equal to 2A and BD is half of BC, that is A. So we get 2A the whole square plus AD square plus A square. Then we get 4A square is equal to AD square plus A square. Therefore, AD square is equal to 4A square minus A square is equal to 3A square. So 3 into A is nothing but half of 2A. That is the side of the triangle is 2A. A is nothing but half of AB. So in the place of A, we can write half of AB, that is AB by 2. So 3 into AB by 2, the whole square, we get 3 into AB square by 4. Then the denominator 4, we can take it to the LHS. Then we'll be getting 4AD square is equal to 3AB square. That is 3 times the square of the side is equal to 4 times the square of its altitude. That is, in any right angle triangle, 3 times the square of its side is equal to 4 times the square of its altitude, which is the required result. Question number 17. Tick the correct answer and justify. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to 6 root 3 centimeter, AC is equal to 12 centimeter, and BC is equal to 6 centimeter. Then the measure of angle B is option A 120 degree, B 60 degree, C 90 degree, and D 45 degree. AC is equal to 12 centimeter, AB is equal to 6 root 3 centimeter, BC is equal to 6 centimeter. In this, AC square is equal to 144, that is 12 square is equal to 144 centimeter. AB square plus BC square is equal to 6 root 3 square plus 6 square, that is equal to 108 plus 36 is equal to 144. Here we observe that the square of the longest side is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. That is, sum of the square of the one of the side of the triangle ABC is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. Hence, by the converse of Pythagoras theorem, triangle ABC is right-angled triangle, right angle at B. Therefore, angle B is equal to 90 degree. So option C is the correct answer. Thank you, children.